Hi guys, it's Mrs. Thompson. I just wanted to show you real quick how to get into your Google Classroom in case you forgot. You're going to go into a web browser. I usually use Google Chrome. Seems to be the best for our district. You go to www.neisd.net and it'll take you to the Northeast Independent School District website. Then you need to go into your Launchpad. This is how you're going to log in to everything that you need to use for distance learning. Click sign in. And here's where you enter your email address. So I'm going to use my daughter's to show you what it looks like from your side. Do not forget to put the stu.neisd.net and then your student ID. And then sign in. And this is going to take you to your Launchpad. These are all the apps that are available to you at school and at home. To get to Google Classroom, you just need to come over here to the Google apps, click on your Google Classroom. It's going to take you to all the Google Classrooms that you are part of or you've been invited to over the past couple of years. You see right now she's in our homeroom social studies one for an example to use. She's also in Ms. Rodriguez's third grade one, but she's also got Miss Thompson's math class that I've invited her to. And so this is where you see, have you joined all the classes you need to join? And here you need to click join if you have not joined. Some of you still need to join our homeroom social studies one. And then in Google Classroom, you'll be able to see all of the things that are being posted for you from me. Remember that you can click on, so here's a new assignment. If you click on it, it's going to give you step-by-steps as to what you need to do. So here you have our Jamboard that we're going to try again. And if you're going to edit the Jamboard, you need to make sure that you click on it and be careful not to erase it because it is a live document, which means people are adding to it. You can click over here on sticky note and type what you did, change the colors if you want. You can draw in it if you want to. You can erase. Just do not clear the frame and do not change the background. I would stick with the sticky note because it's easiest to type with. And that way it'll just show up. And then you can turn it, you can make it big, you can make it small, you can turn it however you want to. Just be mindful of what you're doing in here. Okay, and then once you're done, you just click the X, mark it as done, and you will be done. We didn't need to attach anything to that to show that we are finished with our work. And then just go back to your land page, your home page, where it's showing you where everything is. This is where you're going to see any work that is going to be due. This will start up on the 23rd on Monday so that you can see what you need to turn in. Just be mindful that you are online and that we can see everything that you're doing. So you still need to do your online etiquette and make sure that you're being kind to each other. So going back, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to show you some other things in your Launchpad. Here's your Imagine Learning. So if you're enrolled on Imagine Math, you just click on your Imagine Math and it'll bring up your Imagine Math website that you can start. She hasn't started her benchmark yet, so she's at that point in Imagine Math. You can also go to Think Central. This is where you're going to find all of your math assignments right now through Google Classroom. It'll tell you to come to Think Central. This is your Think Central app. And then right here in Things to Do, it's going to have your assignments that you're going to need to do. If you go to your library, it's going to have all kinds of things that you can look at. Books, videos, your student book, your Student Go Math book. There's a lot of information in there. If you go to My Scores, it'll have your assignment and what you completed and the grade you got on it. But Things to Do is the most important. Right now she has no assignments. This is where you're going to have your assignments and they're all going to be assigned to you, and then you just pick one and you work on it. Make sure that you are reading carefully as you do this. If you need to go back to your home, just click on your Think Central right there. Okay, that's where you're going to find all of your math for now. Some other things that you can look at if you want to see, there's IXL, which you don't really have an IXL account right now. Go to library resources. You've got your Brain Pop right there, Brain Pop Junior, Discovery Education. This is where we watch the videos. The Mythbusters if you want to watch them. You've got a lot of resources. Sora, the ebooks, Tumble Books if you want to. This is a good time to kind of explore your site. Your STEM scopes is right there. See everything that you have available to you. Typing, if you want to type, practice your typing, you can. You just need to do some exploring, guys, and see what there is for you. So let me know if you have any questions. Here's where your social studies weekly is going to be. That's where you're going to do a lot of your social studies is through that. There's Seesaw for you. So you can access this through a computer. You can access this through an iPad. Just let me know if you have any other questions as we're going through this, guys. Talk to you soon.